Welcome to Long An, Vietnam. We are at the Sang factory where we're like balls deep in production for the Fyro T22 Backpack. But we wanted to give you a little behind the scenes tour of what the factory is actually like. So a couple days ago, the owner of the Sang, Richard, gave Tav and I a tour. We want to give you a sneak peek of what that looked like. Tav, roll it.
Oh, good to see you, buddy. Doing good? Yeah, am I able to get the full tour? Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Richard, this is beautiful, man. It looks so good. It's huge.
Almost 500 workers.
Almost 500 right now.
Yeah.
And then you still got to fill that too, right?
Yeah. We will use also, some parts we will use, computer machine.
Got it. Not for Fyro though?
For you.
For us as well? Okay.
This area more for the preparation, area. Not really stitching work, but gluing jobs and This is our QA.
So this is before production would start then, right? You would use this as a confirmation sample for quality assurance.
We have nurse here. And
full-time nurse.
Yes.
That's amazing, okay.
Material warehouse. So come in here, inspect here, and then store here.
Got it. Do you categorize it by brand?
Yes.
Okay, so like each brand will have its own little area?
Yes.
Got it.
Check-in, storage, and then releasing to the cutting.
The patterns get sent out to the mold makers. Yep. These are used in these die cutting machines over here.
Dry room.
What's a dry room?
The weather here is kind of wet. It's under rainy season now. Once production done, we move to here.
Yes.
To avoid the mold issue.
So you do the packing in the dry room?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. And then
that's it.
That's the tour?
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed that sneak peek of the Sang factory, and we've got some crucial Fyro T22 production updates coming your way soon, but the best way to find those updates is via the Fyro Insider newsletter. So if you're interested in getting a behind the scenes look, be sure to sign up with the first link below. Peace.